Go.
Randy Box, Oral History Interview, Course Section HSIU 341. What would I do if I were President of the United States of America? The first question for President Box: if I were President of the United States, and how I would make college education affordable for anyone who wants to go to college and beyond. I would make affordable undergraduate college education and graduate education free for anyone who wants to go to become a chef, to become a club manager, or an owner, a restaurant owner. President Box, what would I do to practice a law for, what would I do to put into practice for first time home buyers? How would I save the automotive industry? I would put first time home owners and buyers, affordable houses for first time buyers would not have to pay high property taxes. For small business owners, I would call a meeting with CEO and general managers of Hyundai and Dodge and GMC, Ford and Tesla. I would put into law and practice of cars and trucks that would put methanol in gas for green. Also, solar panels would be put on houses, rooftop for houses. Third question, President Box, what would I propose for students going to college searching for a better job as well as better health benefit package? For small business owners, I would have tuition reimbursement, 401k, health benefits for all businesses, for full-time and part-time employees. This health benefit package would include dental, vision, medical, as well as for property managers hiring agents that would be sensitive to the tenant's needs. Fourth question, President Box. What would I do about testing of corona patients? I would have every scientist test for COVID-19 patients separately and come up with a micronutrient serum. Fifth question. As President of the United States, I would go about banning cell phone use behind the wheel of a car. I would put an executive order as cell phone ban behind driving behind the wheel, as well as smoking weed and listening with headset. If they're caught, 180 days behind bars. Sixth question. As President of the United States, I would increase minimum wage past $15 an hour. I would increase that minimum wage to $25 per hour for every business owner. I would write this into an executive order. Seventh question. What would I do to legalize gay marriage as well as abortion for women? It is the woman's choice if she wanted to abort her fetus or have her baby. I would also legalize gay marriage and also have doctors treat patients with pre-existing condition and not turn them away. Eighth question. What would I do as President of the United States? I would reform the Immigration Law Act. I would propose to reform those laws for all illegal aliens that would take a state citizen exam to become a United States citizen. This course package would entail basic skills in reading and writing course. Classes start at 10 o'clock with an instructor. They must pass these exams with 85% or higher. Ninth question, President Box, what would I do for the first time business and current corporate owners to stay in business? I would propose to write into law that all small and big corporate owners take small business development management courses. These courses would teach them on how to stay and maintain business that they are currently in. They would have to pass an exam with 80% or higher. This course would be taken and comes with a study guide. 10th question, President Box. What would I do about job creation in our community? And how would I go about the trade agreement with China and Iran? I would lower the taxes and tariffs of gold and jade trade with wholesaler factories in China. As for Iran, I would stop the trade agreements of drilling oil and gas and go green and open up solar factories that would create employment for jobs for the oil and gas employees as well as supply chain corporations. I would bring back employment to the automotive industry, hospitality industry, private and corporate businesses, as well as supply chain industries. I would make sure that everyone gets tested COVID-19 before start working. Existing businesses that will close would be reopened up again, such as automotive, hotel, and restaurant and supply chain industry. This is Randy Box signing off for Oral History.